Sunwick Steels Private Limited is an integrated steel plant manufacturing premium TMT bars, wherein raw material is iron ore and coal. We also produce power out of waste heat generated during the process of manufacturing steel. Hence, we call it green steel. Sunwick Steels now brings to you the new generation TMT, Sunwick ReadyFix. When you begin a project, steel rebar is the main component to get the project started. The project manager in a traditional way has to do micromanagement from understanding the bar bending schedule to instructing the laborers on the required quantity for the cut and bend shapes. Due to lack of quality supervisors and non-availability of skilled laborers at the site, the crucial task of bar bending and laying is not done efficiently, thereby compromising the quality of construction at every step and possibly leading to delays and financial losses, to say the least. In traditional way, cutting and bending is done manually. The length of rebar is manually measured, providing higher chance of inaccuracy. The cut is forcibly done and would not be clean. The way the rebar are bent have absolute no measure. Quality is compromised at every stage. The coincidence is that both the traditional and the ReadyFix way go through the same initial phases of design, drawings, contractor, bar bending schedule. Preparing a highly detailed reinforcement drawing and bar bending schedule is an essential requirement in any construction project. With this, we can achieve a high level of quality control at site, and it will also be advantageous in various other aspects of construction. Now, let's see how Sunwick ReadyFix will make your life easier and hassle-free. With Sunwick ReadyFix, all you need to do is pick up the phone and place your order on the basis of your bar bending schedule. After receiving BBS, ensure that all required sections of rebar are available, and rest of the steps are internally managed by the Sunwick ReadyFix Rebar Fabrication Shop, where state-of-the-art machinery and an allied team of engineers and workers work in tandem to provide you the precise shapes and exact quantity required for your project. The rebars are sheared through the shearing system, which measures the length to be cut accurately. The shearing mechanism is an instant one that gives a clean finish to the cut bars. The angles at which rebar have to be bent is internally controlled by the machine, providing accurate bend angles. Scrap disposal turns out to be a major headache in traditional way, as straight rebars do not come in the required sizes. However, in the ReadyFix way, what you see in the bar bending schedule is what you get in a ReadyFix form at your site. Availability of raw material in different sizes and an accurate and optimized production process ensures minimal wastage in the ReadyFix way. With the bar bending schedule, rebar can be cut and bent with precise planning, and hence no more worrying about labor, wastage, pilferage, delays, and so on. In the traditional way, rebar is invoiced only by its weight and shipped out to the construction site. This gives an opportunity for crooks to fiddle with the quantity of material by manipulating the weighbridge slips, and the customer is duped with underweighed material. Whereas in the Sunwick ReadyFix way, every piece of sized rebar is counted, bundled, tagged, weighed, and then shipped to the customer's site. Hence, the opportunity for theft and pilferage is eliminated, and the customer receives the exact quantity that he paid for. Sunwick ReadyFix will reach you just in time on the committed date. It's time to flip from traditional way to Sunwick ReadyFix. So, choose Sunwick ReadyFix for your rebar requirements and enjoy hassle-free procurement, on-time delivery, reduced labor costs, reduced inventory costs, zero wastage and pilferage, high quality of construction, increased profitability. We also fix it. The ReadyFix shapes are made from Sunvic Gold XX500 TMT bars, which will ensure that the quality of steel used in your project is consistent and of the highest standards. But for some reason, if you feel you want ReadyFix TMT made from any other leading brands of rebar, then we offer even that. Sunvic ReadyFix TMT strives to preserve and protect the environment through its eco-friendly ways and products. So, for a cleaner India, choose Sunvic ReadyFix. Swachh Bharat, एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर।